Welcome to More IFC. Look at how this beautiful pocket. I'm going to give you all the tips, just tricks that you need in achieving this beautiful pocket. If I press my hands on it, you can see that the bracket is not popping out. The curve is well curved. It's well done. I'm going to give you all the tips, just tricks that you need in achieving this beautiful pocket. Very, very simple and easy. If you're new to the channel, do want to subscribe, like and share, comment, and click on notification bell. So let's get started. You need to cut your stiff. The reason why we always use stiff fusing on it is because it gives it a strong shape. To give it a strong shape, you can either use it, you can either stop it. There's nothing wrong with that. It's option. You can use it or you can stop it. So I'm cutting 4 to 5. 4 to 5. This pocket size is going to be 4 to 5, as you can see. The fusing is option. You can either use it or not use it. You fold into 2 like this. You make a curve. You can use your hand to make a curve, or if you have a French curve, you use a French curve. If you don't have a French curve, you just have to look for something round, then you use it and make a curve with it, or you can just use your hand and make a curve, just like that. Just a curve. So the pocket size is 4 to 5 by 5.5. So you just have to put it on a fabric like that on the wrong side. After that, you trim it. Then you're going to leave 1/2 inch at the side and the bottom, just a 1/2 inch. You just have to fold it this way and fold back like this. Then you top stitch. It's gonna have a flap, so if you top stitch, there's nothing wrong with that. Even all pockets we top stitch, not all pockets, but you're gonna have a flap. So I'm trimming this part off. So you have to measure around on the stiff, on the fusing. Just have to measure on the fusing. Measure on the fusing. Whatever you get, then you add 2 inches to it. So this will be the length of it. This 2.5. 2.5. You can make it 3 if you want it to big, but I'm using 2.5. And this is the flap. The flap is 2.5, as you can see. You fold the flap also. You can leave it like that, or you just have to also make a curve on that as well. Please do want to subscribe to More IFC. If you're new to the channel, do want to subscribe, like and share and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about More IFC. I have different style, different designs. So do all and check it out and learn. So let's go to the sewing machine and let's do the tips and tricks over there. So you gotta open this way, then you top stitch on that one. Remember, we folded and we folded again at the top. So that's the one that we are stitching. Then you put it back like that, or you just have to top stitch it this way on top and just leave it like that. This, you can either start it from the tip of it, or you do it this way. When you do it this way, it's going to be very bulky at the tip of it. When you do it this way, it's going to be very, very bulky if your machine is not strong. So there's no need of folding. You just have to come the top stitch. You just have to come like ½ inch and just start. You can see ½ inch and just start. But make sure that the black matches the pockets, and we sew just 0.2 or 0.1 away from the stiff. Just have to sew just a little bit away from the tip, from the fusing. Just sew a little bit away from the fusing. Someone may ask, why do you have to sew a little bit away from the fusing, from the stiff? The reason that I'll tell you later on. It's Morai FC. Do want to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Tell a friend about Morai FC. I have different tutorial. Different style. So do well and check it out. Like I said, the folding, you can just cut it. Don't fold it this way. It's going to be bulky. If your machine is not strong, it's going to be hard for you to sew on top when you reach that point. So don't fold the black, don't fold on the tip, on the mouth like that. It's gonna be bulky. Just leave it like that. Just sew straight away. And shift it. You're supposed to fold ½ inch on the black. So when you fold it this way, you can see that the black was shipped inside exactly, or to fit properly. So I'm checking the pocket. This one have to be, it's 4/5, so I have to mark this one 5 inch. The flap has to be 1/4 bigger than the mouth of the pocket. The flap has to be bigger than the mouth of the pocket. So I'm adding 1/4 inch to this flap. So here we're supposed to fold ½ inch. Supposed to fold ½ inch at the black side before joining. So if you forgot to do that, there's nothing wrong. You can still do it here when you get to this point. So when you sew away from the fusing, when you iron it this way, you can see that it fall under the pocket very perfectly. You know, it's gonna fall under the pocket very perfectly. When you shift it, you have to push your hand. You see the way I'm ironing it? You make sure you iron the same way. You can push your hand, push the black inside and push it. Then you're gonna see that the pocket will come out very nicely, and the black will not be showing at the tip of it so much like that. Then we're going to fold it into two like that, and you fold the black design into two. You can use whatever design that you want. So which kind of design, the kind of design that you are using, then you just have to follow the same steps. You just have to fold. You can see I'm folding into two, and I'm ironing it to give it a shape already. Become easier for you. Please do subscribe Morai FC. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about Mora FC. I have different style, different tutorial, so do all and check it out. Different Senator style, different Senator style. I post videos every Saturdays and Wednesdays. So do all and click on notification bell. If I couldn't able to post this on Saturdays, I'll post this on Sunday. So do all and check it out. Click on notification bell so in time I post a new video, you will be updated. So you flip everything, the flap, flip it, everything up. Then you give it an iron, give it a heat. You come to where you want to put the placket, then you sketch it. There's some tricks that you need to learn from here as well. You sketch it. You have to sketch it if you want to get a perfect pocket. You have to. It's important that you sketch it. If you don't sketch it, you're not going to get the right position for the pocket. Otherwise, it's going to shift. You're not going to get the exact what you are looking for. It's going to shift its position. So when you mark the center, you can see I'm marking the center. Make sure that you have the pocket center of it. You can see I'm marking the center of it. So that when you get to that point, you match the center to that center on your top. So we're going to do top stitch. You can either, some people may prefer top stitching and some may not touch. So you can see the line that we drew, the pocket that you drew. Don't put it on the pocket, just put it inside, not on the line that you draw. Not on the line that you draw. Don't put it on the line that you draw. Put it inside, let it come inside. We are going to top stitch here to hold it down. Top stitching or not top stitching, you're going to get the same best results. It's going to work out. So this top stitch is option. It's not compulsory that you have to always have to top stitch it. So it's option. Yes, and sometimes it gives it a shape when you top stitch it. It gives it well shaped when you top stitch it like that. So let's go back to where I was talking about. Remember we drew the pockets on the clothes on the certain top where you want to put it. Make sure that you don't put it on the line. Come inside the line, at the tip of the line. Come inside of it, don't put it on it, and don't let it be away from the line. Just inside, deal with the inside. We are dealing with the inside of the line that we drew, so you put it inside, just at the tip of the line, inside of it. If you want the pocket to be nice, otherwise, if you put it on the line, exactly on the line, you put it on the line exactly, you're going to see that the black will be popping out. The black will pop out a lot. You take your time. Do and subscribe, like and share, and comment, click on notification bell. I post videos every Saturdays and Wednesdays, and sometimes on Sunday if I couldn't able to post this on Saturday. So it's important you click on notification bell so in time I post a new video you will be updated. It's Mora FC. So at the tip of it, we're going to do top stitch at that point. And we're going to do top stitch on this flap as well. See, the place that there's a fusing have to face the fabric, and the place has no fusing have to face top. I have different kind of cargo pockets on my channel, so do well and check it out. You know, different kinds of cargo pockets, so do well and check it out how to make cargo pocket. So you're gonna top stitch like half inch or quarter of inch. Half inch is okay, half inch, not quarter. Half. It's gonna be bulky at that part. That's why I say it's not necessary. Like, you need to fold that part. If your machine is not strong, you can't sew on that top. You can't do that top stitch. You need to take a hammer and hammer that place to be soften that place before your machine can pass through. So you just have to sew a half inch on top. Like I said, I have different cargo pocket. To do well and check it out and learn how to do these different cargo pockets I have on my channel. It's Mora FC. You can see after doing it, you can see that the black, we don't see the black. It has been hidden. That's how it's supposed to do. It gives it a nice shape, nice work done. You can see. So if you do it, if you join the black, like stitching the black away from the line, let's say above the line, you need to cut here and, you know, trim this part also off. Then you trim this part, then you top stitch it. I'm going to remove the flap to do something. That's why I didn't cut it. So you have to cut it, and when you top stitch this one, then it will hide that part so that you're not going to be seeing. Do want to subscribe to Mora FC. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about Mora FC. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Like, share, comment. So we're done. Just look how beautiful it is. Just have to iron it. Thanks for watching. God bless you.